are going to go ahead and enable the macros in order to make the spreadsheet run correctly. If you see, I'll open up the spreadsheet, which is named Cost Sheet, and I'm using Excel 2007 and Windows Vista as my operating system. I'll double click the spreadsheet as I open it up. I'm going to check and see if my macros have been enabled, and as I click on the Calculate Cost button, nothing happens, so unfortunately they have not been enabled. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and enable the macros, and I can do that in one of two ways. I can go ahead and place it in a trusted source, save it in a trusted folder, or I can go ahead and recognize the publisher as a trusted source. So I'm going to go ahead and click my Office button, and I'm going to go down to Excel Options, and I'm going to go up to the Trust Center, and I'm going to go over and go to the Trust Center settings, and I'm going to look at my trusted locations. If I were to place it in a trusted area, the macros would automatically run, and one of my trusted locations is my template folder, and what we're going to do is we are going to save this as a template, so the macros will automatically run. But if you don't want to save it as a template, what we'll do is we'll go ahead and set the macro settings so that it recognizes the publisher as a trusted source. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and say select disable all macros with notification, so nothing will run unless it gives me a warning, and I'm going to click OK to save my settings. And here we see our notification that the content has been disabled. I'm going to click on the options, and this is telling me that this publisher is Drexel. The macros have been signed by them, and what I want to do is I want to go ahead and click on Trust All Documents from this publisher, and then I click OK, and that enables the macros. And just to double check to make sure that they're working, if I click on this button, Calculate Cost, I should receive a pop-up, which it shows me. So at this point, I went ahead and set this document and Drexel as the publisher as a trusted publisher. So I'm going to go ahead, I should not receive that pop-up anymore. And just to double check, we'll close this out, save our changes, and now when I open this up again, macros should automatically be enabled. Just to double check, I don't receive any notification up here, and I'm going to go ahead and click on the Calculate Cost button. I should receive a little pop-up, which I do. And with that, we have enabled the macros, and the spreadsheet is ready to use.